Deep down, we should be independent thinkers and unique. Although our outward appearance may need to conform to the group, our inner reality should be unique. Anyone who can arouse anger becomes our master, so we should stay calm and control our thoughts. The first principle is to maintain a peaceful mind, free from external interference. The second principle is to face things squarely, understand the essence of things, and not be blinded by appearances. When we wake up in the morning, we should cherish the privilege of being alive, thinking, enjoying, and loving. We have the power to control our own thinking rather than being swayed by external events. In the face of difficult situations, remind yourself to stay calm first. The unhappiness in life is not due to the events themselves, but to our judgment and attitude towards them. Learn to value time and not waste it on unnecessary things. No matter what happens in the outside world, real change starts with yourself, not pursuing material things. The definition of wealth is not the possession of huge possessions, but the desire to own a few. Life should focus on inner peace and a deep understanding of things. Respect the past and open the door to the future. Cherish life and don't be troubled by anxiety and worry. When faced with difficult situations, stay calm and master your inner strength. This is the wisdom of meeting life's challenges. Life is like a dream. Only by facing reality and maintaining inner peace can we move forward steadily in the magnificent sea of life. In thinking and acting, we should learn to eliminate unnecessary distractions and focus on our true inner desires and values. Excessive pursuit of material things will cause us to lose our inner peace. So we must know how to be satisfied with what we have instead of endlessly pursuing more. Life is not about how much you have, but about making the most of what you have. In daily interactions, we should be tolerant towards others, but we should have strict requirements on ourselves. Time flies by like water. Our days are limited, and we should cherish every moment. The happiness of life lies in the quality of our thoughts. How we view and respond to the various challenges in life determines our happiness. Don't get bothered by trivial things and learn to be calm about things that don't matter. True power comes from mastering your own mind, not external circumstances. Always maintain respect for the past while being open to the challenges of the future. Although life is short, as long as you live with your heart and focus on the present, your life will become rich and meaningful. When facing difficulties, do not be troubled by imaginary anxieties, but face real problems with courage. A wise man treats blame as stupidity and does not blame himself for being scolded by villains, but instead learns from them and corrects himself. Everything in life is a product of our thoughts, and our attitude determines our destiny. Therefore, keep a positive mind and face the challenges in life with an optimistic attitude. In the pursuit of inner peace, we can find true happiness and make every day valuable and fulfilling. This is the true meaning of life, which requires us to continue to explore and understand. The true meaning of life lies in understanding and tolerance of oneself and others. In daily interactions, we must learn to surround ourselves with people who can bring out the best in us, thereby bringing out the best in ourselves. We are not born to exist in isolation, but to exist together and teach or learn from each other. So either teach others or learn to tolerate others. Such mutual enlightenment and support will jointly shape a better life. The suffering in life is often not caused by the events themselves, but by our attitude towards them. For negative events, we must learn to treat them rationally, No matter how they invade, we can welcome them with a calm mind. In the face of adversity, we develop inner fortitude, just as hard work develops physical resilience. Regarding time management, you must know how to treat every moment well. Although time is limited, we can find fulfillment in every moment, making life richer. The memories of the past and the unknown of the future intersect in the present. The true meaning of life is to experience and cherish every moment. When facing difficulties, stay calm and collected, turn problems into challenges, and resolve difficulties into a part of life. If you can consistently maintain inner peace, you can face the rough waves of life like a cliff and stand firm. The true meaning of life is to continuously learn and grow. You must have a clear understanding of your own values and beliefs and stick to your true self. Through hard work and self-reflection day after day, we can continuously improve ourselves and become stronger, wiser, and compassionate people. Therefore, real power comes from deep insight into the heart and a rational grasp of life. In daily life, we need to maintain a cautious and deep understanding of things. Learn to look at everything around you with wisdom, not to believe superficial phenomena, but to gain insight into the essence of things. Such insights allow us to better adapt to change, understand the truth of things, and become more comfortable in a complex world. We must learn to remain firm in our hearts in response to the evaluations of others and external voices. Don't be swayed by the noise of the outside world, but also understand what you really pursue. In pursuing your own path, you must have the courage to be your true self and not be bound by secular concepts. Life is a process of constant change. When facing changes, we must have an attitude of acceptance and adjustment. Only by accepting changes in life and adapting to changing environments can we better grasp the direction of life. At the same time, we must continue to bravely explore the unknown, because uncertainty may contain more opportunities and discoveries. In the process of pursuing your dreams and goals, you must know how to cherish every progress, no matter how small. The true meaning of life lies not only in achieving final achievements, but also in experiencing the joy of growth in the process of moving forward. For difficulties and obstacles, do not be overwhelmed by them, but regard them as challenges on the way to success. Overcome them step by step and exercise your perseverance. Ultimately, true wisdom lies in understanding oneself, adapting to the environment, and finding satisfaction in life through continuous learning and progress. Through inner reflection and rational understanding of the external world, we can better understand the profound meaning of life, welcome the various ups and downs of life, and face the unknown future with a more calm and determined attitude.